Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I am Nachiket Joshi, Junior Application Scientist at Advent Informatics, and I'm going to talk about installation of ICM-MolSoft software. So initially, we'll be seeing how to download the software. So you can just type MolSoft support on Google and access the first link. In here, you can click on Support Center. So if you are a first time user, you will need to register yourself. So you can register yourself from your university email or your organization email, and you can fill all the relevant details here. So after you have registered, you can just log in into your account. So now after you have logged in, you can select whichever system that you want to work for. So currently I am going to show for Windows system. So let's go into Windows. Herein you need to select the respective package. So if you are working with ICM Browser Pro, you need to go into this link here. If you are using ICM Chemist Pro, you need to access this link. And if you are taking our full package, you can use this link. This is the link for ICM Pro installer. So if you click on this link, it will start your download. So I have already downloaded ICM Pro. So if I double click on this, it will ask me for a license finder. So initially when you have downloaded the app, you need to send us all this information, the entire error content. You can just copy to clipboard and mail it to us. So then we will register you and we will send a license.lic file for you. So you need to download that license.lic file and you need to place it in your respective folder. So you need to go into your C drive in the program files, and you will have this folder which is MolSoft LLC. In that you have only one folder, that is ICM Pro. Here you need to paste your license.lic file. Let me show you. So after you have placed your license file into the appropriate folder, you need to double click on ICM Pro installer again, and you need to browse from this particular option. You can just browse to your respective file. And just double click on this license file. So after you have browsed your license file, you can again just open the software like this. Thank you. So if you opt for our floating license, our team will provide you a link. This is your link, and you need to download all of these relevant files and place it in one particular folder, like I have already done. Let me show you that. So these are your files. So if you are opting for a floating license. So since you have opted for a floating license, the first thing that you need to do is you need to start your LMX server on your client machine. So to do that, you can just give a double click on this LMX serve. Now as it says, it is ready to serve. After this, you need to go into your installer and double click on it. Herein, you need to use this server option, and you have to provide the same IP address that you have provided to us for your license file and your other installations. So you need to enter that particular IP address here. So after entering your IP address, then you can easily access your software like this.